Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your post in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on your username at the top. Here, click on the post that you want to delete. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the post. Then tap on Delete Post option. So that is how you can delete your post in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.